Yeah, thank you. My name is Bernard Emejuru, GPH 738, week 8. Critical assessment of the Barrow LI's proceed planning model. The strengths of the model are used, developed intervention programs through application of the proceed model. The proceed model has 5 phases, which includes social diagnosis, epidemiological diagnosis, behavioral and environmental diagnosis, educational and organizational diagnosis, and administrative and policy diagnosis. Precede phases includes implementation, the process evaluation, impact evaluation, outcome evaluations. All are participatory, targeted at the population and addressing the needs and desired priorities identified and improvement in quality of life. It serves as a research tool, promotes health, prevents infectious and non-communicable diseases with community participation. It produces de novo interventional protocols that solves the needs of the community, and it has multiple discipline approach. The weaknesses of the model I experienced is number one, cultural adaptation. The development of the proceed model was done in the Western world, where you have Western knowledge, attitude, practice, belief systems, behavior, and cultural differences. We have to consider cultural adaptation, especially in Africa, where you have infectious disease studies that need adaptation to the culture, practice, and attitude of people in Africa. For example, the Ebola virus outbreak and the belief system people have in the particular countries. The challenges I encountered includes one, language barriers, which I use interpreters to overcome it. Inadequate funding, we need to recruit more staff to cover remote areas. Transportation issues, to cover costs and cover remote areas too. We need to have a shortage of staff, which would have used to cover more remote areas. Given another opportunity, I will apply for more funding, ask for provisions of electronic interpreting machines to cover more areas to capture all adults with diabetes type 2. I will still use the proceed logic model because it's invaluable. This is a screen picture of the proceed models strategy that involves the proceed 5 phases and the proceed 4 phases. The proceed 5 phases include social assessment, epidemiological assessment, behavioral and environmental assessment, educational and ecological assessment, and administrative assessment. While the proceed includes the evaluation, implementation, proceed evaluation, impact evaluation, and outcome evaluation. We have the education and the administrative assessment, educational policies assessment, and under education ecological assessment, we have enabling factors, predisposing factors, and enforcement factors. Under the behavioral environmental assessment, we have behavioral pattern and environmental influences. Under epidemiological, we have health and action implementation, which will lead to quality of life improvement. Thank you very much for this presentation.